Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about LeetCode1004 max consecutive ones. This is very similar to the problem that I posted yesterday, 424, longest substring with repeating characters, I think. So if you haven't checked out that one, please feel free to watch that one before watching this one. Or else let's get started. So this problem also falls into the category of sliding window. So there are two signs that tell us a problem falls into that category. First is looking at a contiguous subarray. And we're looking at a contiguous subarray. The second point is that we're looking at a continuous subarray that fits into a certain description. So the subarray that we're looking at should contain only ones. So for every sliding window problem, we would begin by initializing values that help us keep track of the window. So we need a starting index, an ending index, and a max value, which we would return as the result of this function. And this repeat variable keep track of the number of ones that have appeared in the past in our current window. So in our loop, each time when we encounter a new one with our end pointer, we increment the repeat because now we have one more ones in our window, and repeat keeps track of how many ones have appeared in our window. And this part is used for checking whether our current window still fits into our requirement, which is that it can only contain one after performing changes up to k values from 0 to 1. So here we check if the length of our window minus the number of ones that have appeared in our current window is greater than the total amount of replacement that we can do. It means that we are going to need more replacement than we are allowed to, so this window no longer fits into our description, so we have to increment our starting index to shrink the window. So while we do that, we also want to check if our starting index, if the array with the position of our starting index contains a 1, because if it contains a 1, it means that we have to decrement our repeat counter, which keeps track of how many ones that have appeared in our window. So this is what this inner loop is doing. And so like all the other sliding window problems, we also do a check at the end to make sure that we keep track of the maximum window length. So we do it with math.max, and then take the maximum out of the current max and our current window length, and we go into the next loop. So we return that result, and that's it. So this problem is super similar to number 424. So consider grouping them together and just do them together. Yeah, and thank you for watching my video. Bye.